long does a defendant have to answer your complaint in a civil suit here in Maryland? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today in this quick educational video about the time frames in general that a defendant may have to answer your complaint. Now, what can happen is you go and you speak to a medical malpractice attorney stemming from an injury that you suffered during a surgery. And you and the attorney do an investigation and you determine that there may be a case here. You go and you speak with an expert, and the expert confirms your belief that the treating doctor fell below the standard of care, causing your injury. You go and you do all of the other preliminary filings that you have to do, and now you're to the point to where it's time to file the lawsuit. You go and you file a lawsuit in the circuit court for Prince George's County, Maryland, and now you're asking your attorney, well, attorney, how long does the defendant doctor have to answer my complaint? In general, in these types of cases, a defendant will have 30 days to answer a complaint in circuit court. Now, don't get ahead of yourself. There are some exceptions to this particular rule. For example, if the defendant is still in Maryland, or I should say the defendant is out of Maryland, but still in the United States, that particular defendant will get 60 days to respond to the complaint. So again, you're going to have to take a look at, number one, things such as where is the defendant? Is the defendant in the state of Maryland? Is the defendant outside the state of Maryland? Is the defendant outside of the United States? All of these things come into play when trying to calculate the time frame for when does a defendant have to answer a civil complaint in circuit court. Now, I realize you probably have way more questions about this. You're probably trying to understand the process. What is the process like? Or you could just have general questions such as, am I the victim of medical malpractice? And if I am, what should I do next? Well, if you have these questions and concerns and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I could be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.